You suck at cooking and you suck at a whole bunch of other things, and I'm not going to list off right here on account of the fact that I don't really want to make you look bad in front of your friends, and also on account of the fact that I don't know you in real life, which makes it really kind of difficult to get into specifics. But if I had to speculate, then I would probably say that you suck at crochet and also building a jet, and you probably can't fly a helicopter yet, and you suck at traveling through time or putting on your pants 2 legs at a time. But maybe we could hang out so that I could get a better sense of what you really suck at, so that I could better criticize you in a meaningful way without random speculation, because generalizations don't hold up under the circumstance, and all my credibility is on the line. So call me sometime. Yeah, you totally suck.